Bridgeport Biodiesel is very proud to be part of the new Bridgeport Eco Park. The Eco Park is a development within the city of Bridgeport designed to be a Silicon Valley of technologies for clean energy throughout Connecticut. Our development here is designed to transform waste grease into clean, renewable fuel. For about 200 years, the types of fats, oils, and greases that we're using have been thrown out. Until now, they've been either landfilled, they've been burned in incinerators, or they've been flushed down the drains where they cause havoc with the sewage treatment system. So formerly, the fats, oils, and greases that we're now reusing would have left Bridgeport as a form of municipal waste. So we're cutting down the waste stream leaving Bridgeport. Second of all, we're capturing that energy within the community. So grease that would have left that contains energy that the community could use is now staying within the community and providing home heating oil, fuel for buses and trucks, and fuel for other off-road uses like boats, backhoes, and so on and so forth.
As of July 1st of 2011, a law passed saying that all restaurant owners, hospitals, and any place that holds food, like a food service industry, needs to separate their yellow and their brown grease. So we are Bridgeport Biodiesel, and we are a one-stop shop. We collect your yellow and your brown grease. And being a one-stop shop, we're taking both for you versus a company that would only take one for you. Well, we'd like to educate our customers because we want them to be knowledgeable of what's going on with their grease.
So what's the difference between yellow and brown grease?
Good question. Yellow is called fry-later grease. It only touches food. And brown is fog, fats, oils, and grease. And it's actually the waste, like the dishwasher. We give them a yellow container, which is actually green because it's environmentally friendly, and then a brown container. So it's for the fog, which is fat, oil, and grease. We separate them. Then we take the yellow back to our facility here in Bridgeport. We are very local. We're Bridgeport, and we are around the same proximity of all the different restaurants in Fairfield County where we're starting at.
Our plant is advantageously located at the intersection of several major highways, but most predominantly along the side of I-95, which is a central artery going up and down the east coast of the U.S. and directly through New England. By being centrally located next to 95, it's very easy for the trucks to get on and off, either bringing us waste grease or taking biodiesel away. And it reduces the carbon footprint of Bridgeport. By taking the energy that had been wasted or had been poured down the drain or had left in the form of garbage, we're now creating new, beneficial energy for the community and reducing the carbon footprint of that community in terms of trucks taking waste away and in terms of creating new energy.
It's impressive, it's great for the environment, and I'm really happy to be a part of this because we're contributing and making the world a better place by taking something that is wasteful and turning it into something that could be as renewable fuel.
The future of Bridgeport Biodiesel is in employing more people from the city of Bridgeport, bringing a normal waste stream into use as a beneficial reuse energy source, and in building new technologies for the city to increase its energy dominance as we go forward into the 21st century.